Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this dollar origami heart. This one's pretty simple. S-I-M-P-L-E, simple as can be. Okay, anyways, here we go. Pretty simple. Okay, don't worry, this will be quick. You're going to start off with a regular bill, any denomination. You're going to fold this in half. Once you fold this in half, go ahead and crease that down, open this up. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take the sides and fold them along that center crease. And then crease that down. You'll do both sides, like that. Then you're going to flip this over. Then you're going to take this top edge here, and you're going to fold it along this center crease. Just like so. You're going to do both sides. So this one's going to be here. Push that down. Then you're going to rotate this sideways. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this upper flap here, and then we're going to fold this edge along this center, this triangle, the bottom of this triangle here. So I'm going to go ahead and fold this along that paper edge. You'll crease this down. Go right in here, and then make sure that this line is straight, and go ahead and press that down. You can crease that. You'll do the same thing to this side. That is straight. Go ahead and just crease that down. Then what you're going to do is under here, you're going to take these flaps and you're going to fold these corners right along that edge. Edge of the paper there. Do the same thing for both sides. And when you flip it over, there you have the simple dollar heart. If you want to do a little extra, you can take these corners and you could kind of fold them back just to kind of round out the top of the heart. You can do it on all the sides if you want. Kind of gives it a nice little touch. And there you go. Well, let me know if this video helped you. Go ahead and click on the like and subscribe. Thank you much.